Corvair 1965 110 500. It's got Monza hubcaps from a 66. It's got small brand new 175 unidirectional tires outside. They're brand new. This gentleman here is 15 years old, right by the clock tower. And this is his third Corvair. And he's a minimalist. So no chrome, no trim, no bling. Got some spare parts. Nice upholstery, rear package shelf, courtesy of Clark's Corvair. 500 Powerglide AM radio. It's got a 66 ashtray with the larger handle, so you can open it and tray your ashes. This color is turquoise, Tahitian turquoise. And how would you know that unless you were a Corvair or a Chevrolet fanatic? Let's crank this baby up and see how she runs. By the way, I'm Corvairwild on YouTube.
Awesome. I've seen your videos.
It's unavoidable if you have a Corvair. Engines in the back, trunk in the front, just like a good elephant. Crank this baby up and see how she runs. Just had it worked on by the Corvair Meister, who is gone. He's around. Crank her up. Runs real nice. Make sure the fuel pump's not loose. Uh-oh. Fuel pump's loose. Gotta tighten that up. Crank that baby down. Look at that. National Air Float Deluxe. It's got a National Air Float Deluxe tire. Look how nice she runs. Nice and smooth. All right, good luck to you. Third Corvair at 15.
Yep.
I think you'd be good for 25 by the time you're 35. Corvair lady and the Corvair kid. Great. Great car.